Christmastime Gold Coast turned into a scene of chaos, Australia. A sudden squall hit the coast with wind gusts exceeding 80 kilometres per hour. Powerful gusts tore down tents and marquees at Broadwater Tourist Park. Panicked people fled their shelters, fleeing falling trees. In a matter of minutes, the holiday turned into a struggle for survival. A massive construction crane succumbed to the force of the elements and collapsed onto a building. Police cordoned off the area, fearing further structural collapse. More than 80 tourists were urgently evacuated from the disaster area. Power grids buckled, leaving thousands of homes without power. The rain and wind continued to rage, heightening the sense of disaster. Families were unable to return to their belongings while the crane remained a threat. The Gold Coast became a symbol of how nature thwarts human plans. This storm served as a reminder of the fragility of our structures in the face of the elements. And on Christmas Eve, people saw how the holiday could turn into a nightmare.